Apache Kafka is distributed event stored and stream processing platform. It is free and open source software developed by Apache Software Foundation, written in JavaScript. Browser open Google search box lo Kafka download, enter key press. Official link first section lo display. Kafka apache.org downloads. Download Apache Kafka. First link, mouse left click. Kafka official redirectory web page. Complete display. Download section lo supported releases. Latest version 3.9.1. Released date month May 21st year 2025. Below section lo given instruction. We build for multiple versions of Scala. Otherwise, any versions should work. Version 2.13 is recommended. Latest version 3.9.1 section lo installation 2 versions display. First one Scala 2.12. Second one Scala 2.13 version. Kafka installation version 2.13 and -3.9.1.tgz ASC-SHA 512. Second link, mouse left click. Download section lo Kafka Scala installation version 2.13 Kafka version 3.9.1 TGZ. Downloading process start. File size 116 MB. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Process completed. Next, installation setup. Right side first icon, show in folder, click. Left side downloads folder lo Kafka rar file display, mouse right click. Extract all option click. Extract archive window lo extracted path display in box. Unnecessary remove text. Local disk C. First button extract click. Extracted location and folder display. Kafka release version display. Mouse right click. Unnecessary text remove. Third icon rename click. Folder name only Kafka. Set. Enter key press. Mouse double click. Address bar, mouse left click. Copy this path, mouse right click. Second option copy click. Folder minimize. Browser minimize. Windows search box lo edit system environment variable, enter. First option edit the system environment variable. Select system properties window lo last button environment variable, click. Second option system variable section lo first button new, click. Variable name, enter. Kafka underscore home. Second one variable value. Mouse left click in box, mouse right click, paste click. OK click. Next select path. Second button edit, click. Kafka folder reopen. First one bin folder open. Top section lo address bar, mouse left click, mouse right click. Second option copy, click. System properties window reopen. Right side first button new, click. Mouse right click, paste click. OK click, OK click and OK click. First icon back to Kafka icon, click. Second folder config, select double click. Edit the configure two files. First one zookeeper, second one server file. First one zookeeper, select, mouse right click. Show more options, click. Next open with option, select sub panel. First one notepad, click. Jupyter.properties file lo data dir directory. Edit the path. Notepad minimize. Left side back to Kafka, arrow click. Address bar, mouse left click, mouse right click, second option copy click. Notepad reopen, mouse right click, paste click. File menu click, save option click. Minimize, server file select, mouse right click, edit in notepad option click. Server properties file open, mouse scroll down, log basics section lo log.dir. Change this path, mouse right click, paste option click. File menu click, save option select. Notepad minimize, Kafka folder re-click. Address bar lo cmd type, enter key press. Command prompt shell window default path local disk C Kafka folder. Enter the zookeeper command. In this video description section lo zookeeper and server related two text commands pasted as the same commands copy step by step paste here in command line. First one, zookeeper text command. Keyboard lo shortcut key Ctrl V, enter key press. First button yellow click, maximize. Command prompt window minimize. Address bar lo mouse left click, type cmd, enter key press. Enter here second text command. Start a Kafka broker command. Keyboard lo shortcut key Ctrl V, enter key press. Next, check the Kafka services command, enter. Top section lo down arrow click, second one command prompt click. JPS, enter key press. JPS number 6256 and Kafka 8036. Third one quorum peer main number 6760.